Good morning, students. Welcome you all in my class of English. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson of English, that is Unit 4. The title of the story is The Fight. You can see on the screen, The Fight. This is the story we are going to learn. Students, this story, The Fight, is the story about two friends who had been childhood friends for 17 years, and they were selected for the boxing championship to fight against each other. And so this story becomes so interesting. What is the starting, what is the turning in the story, and so at last what is the climax, that all will make you spellbound and will make you attracted, and you will enjoy it, certainly. So let us see the story, what is The Fight. But before going further to know what is in the story and how the story proceeds, let us learn who has written this story, who has given you such interesting story. Because those who write a story, composes a poem, they all are our motivator. They inspire us, and that's why we should learn about them. We should know about them, and let us know about their other work as well. So first let us know and see what is here about this here story, that is The Fight. So first let us see the picture here on the screen. I am watching here a picture, and you must also be facing a picture. This picture on the screen is of P.D. Thomas. P.D. Thomas, the writer of this story. P.D. Thomas was born to Puerto Rican and Cuban parents in New York City. We shall learn more about him. His autobiography is called Down These Mean Streets. He wrote his autobiography, and the name of that autobiography is Down These Mean Streets. So we shall learn some more here, stories written by him. But first let us see some of his more clips. You can see on the screen who is standing. He too is P.D. Thomas. So we have some more pictures of P.D. Thomas. You can see in the picture he is there, and with him is his name as well, P.D. Thomas. You can see here another picture, very smiling and very attractive picture of P.D. Thomas. Student, let us know some more about P.D. Thomas. About the writer, further going, we must know about the date when he was born, when he died. So P.D. Thomas was born on September 30, 1928, and he died on October 17, 2011. P.D. Thomas was a Puerto Rican Cuban writer and poet whose memoir, Down These Mean Streets, this is the name of his autobiography, Down These Mean Streets, became a bestseller, very popular. Millions of copies were sold of this here book. So let us now here see some more about him, that you know about P.D. Thomas. Here his full name was Juan Pedro P.D. Thomas. P.D. Thomas' full name was Juan Pedro P.D. Thomas. And as I told you already, when he was born on Juan Pedro Thomas. He was born on 30 September 1928 in New York City, New York, and he died on 17 October 2011 at the age of 83. His genre is autobiography, and of course literary movement is here. Nuyorican, and notable books are Down These Mean Streets, the same autobiography I mentioned right now, and other important book, famous book he wrote is Amigo Brothers. Amigo Brothers. From that Amigo Brothers, this is the story, the fight that is taken, and you will learn this story. So, my dear students, let us now see here the story, what is in the story all about in this unit, the fight. Student, you have been given some of very important words on the page, very first page 32. You can see on the top, aspiring. These are used in the passages, and before learning the passage, before explaining the passage, let us learn the word. That can help us to understand the passage very well. Aspiring. What is aspiring? Wanting or dreaming to be something. When we have an ambition, we dream to become something, we want to become someone. This is what here called aspiring. Aspiring, that is called aspiring. Suppose someone wants to be an IAS officer and he is trying in his field to do. He is called aspiring candidate for IAS. So like that, aspiring means wanting or dreaming to be something. Then is lightweight champions. Lightweight champions, boxing champions in the lightweight category. A category of boxers of a certain weight, limited weight. They are called lightweight champions. Then is blasting. Blasting means a striking hard on something. Striking hard. And then is hermano. Hermano is a Spanish word which means brother. When someone tells hermano to each other, that means when we tell brother, like that they call someone hermano, brother. So now let us see the story. What the story tells. What is in the story? 17 years old Antonio Cruz and Felix Burgos are childhood friends. Both of them, one of the friend's name was Antonio Cruz and another name was Felix Burgos. These both people were good friends, childhood friends for last 17 years and aspiring lightweight champions. They were even lightweight champions, boxers who were dreaming, who wanted to be a champion in lightweight boxing. Each has fought many boxing matches. Both of them, Antonio Cruz and Felix Burgos, both have fought several tournaments, several boxing matches. They played and won a few medals. Both of them, they won a few medals as well. Recently, they have been informed that they will fight each other in the division finals 2 weeks away. And it was decided, they were informed that both of them will fight each other against each other in the division finals 2 weeks away. That was to come. The winner will represent the boys club in the Golden Globes. They were going to represent a club. What was the name of that club? That was the Golden Globes Championship Tournament. They were going to represent both the players. One morning, less than a week before their match, just 1 week before the match, Antonio and Felix met as usual for their daily workout. As they were just outside house and they were running lightly, along the river's way. So they met there, and Antonio glanced at Felix. Antonio glanced at Felix, means he saw at Felix, who kept his eyes purposely straight ahead. He did not notice to him. He was looking in front, just in front. Means he ignored, he did not give any importance that someone was coming or his friend was looking towards him. So he just turned his attention in other direction. So what happened next? After a mile or so, Felix said, when both of them covered 1 kilometer of distance, as 1 mile of distance, Felix said, let's stop a while. Felix said his friend. Felix said to Antonio Cruz, let us stop a while. My friend, please wait. Stop. Brother, I think we both got something to say to each other. I think both of us have to say something to each other. You have also something to tell to me. I have also something to tell to you, because we are going to just contest each other against each other in a tournament. Antonio nodded. Antonio nodded means he also really said in affirmation, shaking his head. Yes, it was not natural to be acting as though nothing unusual was happening when two best friends were going to be blasting each other. Both were going to strike hard. And you know, in boxing here game, how they really, both the players just really hit each other, attack each other, that they try their best how to really make the other and their opponent so weak, so injured. So both of them, both the friend and best friends, were going to be blasting each other within a few days. Felix leaned on the reverse railing. Felix leaned means bent, on the reverse railing and stared across to the source of the Brooklyn. That was the river name. That was Brooklyn. Antonio helped. It's about our fight, right? Antonio initiated. Antonio started telling, it is about our fight. Am I right? Yeah, right. His friend answered, yes. I have been thinking about it too. I have also been thinking about the same topic, same matter. In fact, since we found it was going to be me and you, I have been awake at night. Ever since I came to know that we both friends are going to fight against each other, I have not slept. I am restless, pulling punches on you, trying not to hurt you. I am practicing only pulling punches, and I am trying. In that practice, I try my best not to hurt you. In such a way, I will just hit you so that you can not feel pain. He wanted to express his cordiality, his intimacy. Same here, the other friend told. Same here, I have also the same here in the condition. It ain't natural not to think. It ain't. It is here, ain't means here, it is here a Spanish and local language of Spain, which means isn't. It ain't means it isn't natural not to think about the fight. I mean, we both are fighters and we both want to win. Both here, one of them expressed, we are friends, we are going to fight, and we both want to win. What were they thinking while they were running along the river edges and they were practicing? Both of them were thinking the same. How I can defeat the other. Both of them were thinking the so. But only one of us can win. But both of them were not going to win, just win. It was not possible. In the game, only one side, only one player can win. So, they were just in great confusion. There is no draws in the elimination, and there is no possibility in this one. In this context that we will end with a draw. Not at all. One of us has to win the game. Felix tapped Antonio gently. Like that he tapped, and on his shoulder, Antonio tapped and then told, Tony, let's promise something right here. Okay? He told. To whom? He told Antonio Cruz. Lovingly, he was calling him Tony. He was Burgess, whose name was Burgess. He was really telling Antonio, Tony, let's promise something right here. Okay? Let us promise, both of us, right now only. Let us plan how we have to fight so that we cannot hurt each other, we cannot really give pain to each other. So let us promise right now. If it is fair, Hermanio, I am for it. His friend told, Antonio told, okay, if it is fair, if you are telling something fair, I will follow. If you are telling something that is fair, then I will follow. I am ready for this. And here again, Hermano, that is the word, a Spanish word, which means brother, as I explained you earlier. It is fair, Tony. Burgess told, Felix Burgess told him, replied him, it's fair, Tony. I am not telling you something to promise to do unfair. It is fair, what I have decided. When we get into the ring, when we are going inside the ring, where the boxing match was going to be held, when we are going in the ring, it's gotta to be like we never met. It's gotta. Gotta is again a Spanish local word, which means here we suppose, we behave. We have to behave like we have never met to each other. When both of us step in the ring, we must behave in such a way so that we are unacquainted, we are unfamiliar to each other. We do not know to each other. We gotta be like two strangers. We have to behave like we both are strangers. We do not know each other. That want the same thing and only one can have it. And we have to think in our mind that we have only to fight and we have to win. So, just both of them were discussing in what way they are going, with what thought, with what perception, thinking they are going to face each other there. They were deciding now. You understand? Don't chair. I think you have understood. Have you understood? My brother. See, I know. See, I know. S-I-C. Again, it is a Spanish word which means yes. That means yes. See, I know. Tony smiled. Tony replied him, telling see means yes, I know. No pulling punches. We go all the way. Throughout the game, we will not just pull punches, means we will not hurt each other. We shall never try to give to each other pain. And in this way, they made a conclusion there, the way they were going to fight in the ring. So this was what here, up to here, that today I have explained you what is going to happen in the story next when they reached both of them in the ring to play, to face each other, and they started really fighting. So that is interesting, and we shall learn in the second video. This is the first video, and whatever part I have explained you about these two friends, about the story, about the writer P.D. Thomas, I am sure that you must have learnt, you must have understood, and this will be very beneficial to understand the next part. So thank you very much, students. Thank you a lot joining the class.